Assalamu alaikum. I am Luqman Qaida and this is Shaykhi Academy. In today's episode, inshallah, we will discuss the tongue letters, or what's called in Arabic الحروف اللثوية, regarding the classification of heavy and light letters. So, stay tuned.
Shaykhi Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of Shaykhi Academy. So this is what we will discuss today, the classification of the tongue letters regarding heaviness and lightness. What we meant by tongue letters here is al-hurufu al-lathawiyya. Al-hurufu al-lathawiyya, in a very simple way, is the tip of the tongue. We will stick the tip of the tongue when we pronounce them. This is in very simple way, okay? But if you want more details, you will find it in the last episodes, okay? So what is the classification of the tongue letters regarding heaviness and lightness? Tongue letters, the letters that will stick the tip of the tongue out, might be heavy and might be light. And this dark green represents the heavy tongue letters, and this light green represents the light tongue letters. So heavy tongue letters and light tongue letters. So what are the heavy tongue letters and what are the light tongue letters? The heavy tongue letter is just one letter. So when someone wants to trick you and tell you, please tell me how many heavy tongue letters, say just one tongue letter. There is no other tongue letter, heavy tongue letters, except letter va, okay? But light tongue letters we have two, which are الثاء and الذال. You see, all of them will stick our tongue out. ثاء, ذا, and va. Okay, and we explained the difference between them before in detail. Okay, as a quick explanation, we can say the difference between ثا and ذال is the vibration of the vocal cords. ثا ذا, ثا ذا, and this is what's called in Arabic al-jahr and al-hams. And the difference between al-dhal and al-dha is the heaviness and lightness. The and dha, the dha. Okay, so the tongue letters al-huruf al-lathawiyya is divided regarding the heaviness and lightness into two classifications: heavy tongue letters and light tongue letters. The heavy tongue letter is just one letter, which is letter dha. Va, it's a heavy, the back of the tongue is raised. Va, va, va. And the light tongue letters are two, which are ثا, الثاء, ثا, 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 ثي, ثو, and الذال, ذا, 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 ذي, ذو. Letter ثا, it looks like TH in the English, but as in the word, and also letter dhal is as in the th, but the first th as in the word thanks, okay, and the second th as in the word the, okay. So this is tha as in thanks, and this is the as in the definite the definite article the, and this is the same of the, but the heavy one. So now we came to the end of our discussion today, the classification of the tongue letters or huruf al-lathawiyya into heavy tongue letter and light tongue letters. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. See you inshallah in the next episode. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
Shaykhi Academy. Learn and enjoy.